Hey there! Cupcakes are a unique, delicious, and decorative dessert that appears to be a great addition to a variety of parties and are a great way to satisfy kids from the way these cupcakes are brightly colored and sweetly flavored. On the other hand, we have muffins, which are widely served in loads of cafes as a type of snack or breakfast. So, is there a difference between cupcakes and muffins? The truth is, there are a lot of differences between these two, so let's unpack this together and let's find out the difference between cupcakes versus muffins. So the first point is the ingredients. The ingredients in both muffins and cupcakes are almost identical. We are talking about essential ingredients, and these include flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, and baking powder or baking soda. Now, the difference here is the quantity and type of ingredient used. So muffins have a higher quantity of flour, as for the cupcakes, they have a higher quantity in sugar and butter. In muffins, the type of flour you can use can just be normal all-purpose flour, or it can be substituted for oats. This makes muffins a much healthier option that can be turned into a dietary-friendly snack. As for the cupcakes, they require flour specialized for cakes, and this type of flour uses a big portion of just flour and a slight portion of it includes yeast. So, to conclude, we can say that cupcakes are much closer to cakes, while muffins closely resemble bread instead. For this reason, cupcakes are more widely considered a dessert. However, muffins are different in the sense that you can add fruits and chocolate, or even vegetables, sausages, or cheese, etc. So you can consider muffins both a savory and a sweet snack. The baking process of both of these are performed in the same type of trays, but with the difference of maybe just the quantity to differ between the heights of the cupcake and the muffin, but the trays are essentially the same. Now onto the mixture that is put inside of these trays. Muffins have a much thicker and slightly clumpier mixture, while cupcakes have a much more fluid type of mixture and is just overall a lighter mixture. As for the baking, they are baked at practically the same heat, but the time may differ depending on the height and thickness of the cupcake or muffin. In general though, the muffin takes more time to bake than the cupcake. So now that they have been baked and are out of the oven, this is how the muffins look like. Muffins are relatively higher in height, and their top is shaped like a dome, with many cracks, and is held together better than a cupcake. You don't see many decorations on a muffin though, mostly just powdered sugar or some fruits and syrup. However, the cupcakes come out of the oven like this. Their surface is smooth and flat. They are softer and taste sweeter from the increased sugar in the cupcakes. As for how the cupcakes are decorated, a lot of options and decorative aspects can be used in cupcakes, but mostly you see frosting and icing sugar. Every cupcake can have a theme, and you can really explore and experiment with how you decorate these cupcakes. This makes it a much better option for parties and gatherings from the amount of options you have and how easy it is to decorate these cupcakes. That is all for today. So we went through all the different types of differences between cupcakes and muffins, and if you stuck around until the end, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy many other great videos on this channel.